What is up, guys? So today I just got this decked bag. It's called the D bag. You're funny. Basically, it is a great work bag, camp bag, travel bag, anything you want. It also goes into your deck system. If you guys don't know what decked is, that is the system that I have in the back of my truck. It's the 2 drawers that I put all my tools in, keeps them dry, keeps them safe, keeps them locked. This can fit inside that, as well as this just holds a bunch of other tools, whether you got camera gear, camping gear, tools, really anything. You can put clothes in here. It's pretty freaking durable. It's got this bag in here, which is a waterproof bag that has a hard bottom. It's almost like an overnight bag type situation. The cool thing about it is that it's somewhat formed. You know, it's like a little jetpack. It's got some hard, like some density to it. And then you also have this expanding side. I don't know the correct terms for this, to where you can expand it as you fill it up. But if you don't have it completely filled up, you can still kind of smush it down a little bit. You also have these spots up here where you can put wrenches, stuff like that. You can open this, and you have a whole nother section here where you can put, I don't even, just stuff, man. Decked is always just gives you storage. I don't know what all of it's for, but in case I ever need it, they give it to me. Then you got these little bags where you can put little wrenches in there. You can put deodorant. You can do whatever you want with these things. So what I'm going to do is, this is my first time doing this. I just got this bag this morning. I'm going to load it up. I'm going to take my tool trolley, which is right over here, and I'm going to see how much of that stuff I can fit in here. So, perfect. Jeez, that's insane. Oh my gosh. And the awesome thing about these is that they put them to where you can hook it up and strap this down to the side. Wow, you will not believe what I had fit in there. I mean, this is insane. I mean, I could bear. Wow, you guys are not gonna believe what I fit in here. So what I'm gonna do is, wow, so look at this. It has these handles on the side here, so you can carry it like this if you want. You can also pop these off, flip them down here, carry it as a backpack. I'm gonna do it slow motion. Now, granted, this is my first time even putting anything in this bag, so obviously there's a more organized way to do this to where you could probably even put more in here. I just threw a bunch of crap in here that was just sitting in my roller box. I'm gonna show you how much I fit in here. I'm gonna pile it up all right here. Perfect. Wow. So that's all that I fit in this box right here, or this bag right here. And if I had done it more efficiently, you know, the more that I get used to the bag, the more I can strategically place things in there, the more I could probably fit. I could probably fit in there 2 tools in there if I put it in there correctly. That's insane. I mean, I've had boxes that have carried less than that. And the cool thing about this is it holds everything tight, so you don't have a bunch of stuff just rattling around in a box. So, I mean, I'm pretty stoked on this. This is awesome. The cool thing about this is that you don't have to have the deck system to use it. It's just a regular bag, so you don't have to have the whole setup from Decked. Man, you guys should go check this out. I'm gonna tag them in this so you guys can go check out their page. I mean, and not only that, but I mean, if you wanted to, you could literally just take these things out and you can use this. Like, this is a waterproof bag. You can use it by itself. You could use this just as a camera bag. You could put some foam in here and do camera bag stuff with this. It could be an overnight bag. It could be, I mean, it'd be a great carry-on, to be honest. But anyway, guys, that's just a quick rundown of the D-bag. I'm impressed. I'm really impressed. I'm actually really stoked on this. I wish I had like 4 of them. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Much love to all you guys. Stay respectful, stay excited, stay motivated. I'll see you guys later.